Hello and welcome back. Before the video starts, I'd just like to say subscribe if you enjoy the content. It's completely free, and also thank you all for 100 subscribers. It really means a lot, but I'm also really sorry for the inconsistency. I've been quite busy, so I haven't had the time to do this channel. So anyway, on to today's topic, limericks. Google defines limericks as a humorous 5-line poem with rhyme scheme AABBA. So what exactly is a limerick then? Well, it contains 5 lines, and AABBA rhyme scheme, and anapestic meter. So the question that might be burning on your mind is, what exactly is an anapest? Well, in simple terms, it's 2 unstressed syllables followed by a stressed syllable. So a limerick poem is laid out like this. The first, second and fifth lines all have 3 feet, and the third and fourth have 2 feet. So now we have the structure out of the way, we can talk about themes and stuff you can include. So for many limericks, the final line contains a realization, and this is usually done to shock the reader to enhance the comedic effect of the poem. Limericks are one of the most fun poems you could ever wish to write, so as a general tip I would just say think of something funny and go on from there. So for the end portion of the video, I'm going to try to analyse, try to get into the writer's head of a famous limerick poem called There Was an Old Man with a Beard by Edward Lear. Now I did say try because I might not be all that good at it, because I like to imagine that I'm better at writing the poems than analysing them. So anyway, if you count each syllable on each line, you will see that it follows the rules of a limerick. And we can also see that it has the AABBA rhyme scheme. So at the start of the poem, we're introduced with a rather comical character who has a beard. And the poem has this rather nice cyclical nature, where at the end of the poem we understand why the writer was mentioning the beard in the first place. And this final line is solely for comedic effect, because it really surprises the reader in a way. And although the poem is quite cheesy, it's not really that funny. It's just there to be witty and light-hearted. And that is really why, if you've noticed this, I was quite surprised when I noticed this, every single word is monosyllabic. So all these monosyllabic words just adds to the simple nature and the witty nature of the poem. And that is exactly why we have limericks, to be witty, be funny, and to just be light-hearted and fun. So as I always say at the end of all of my videos, it's now over to you to think of something, gain an idea, and write. Sometimes it can be hard to find the motivation, but if you believe in yourself, I know this is also quite cheesy, you can do it. So thank you for watching the video. If you enjoy my content, if you like the channel, like the concepts that I give you, then subscribe. It's completely free, just as I said at the start of the video. And thank you all for 100 subscribers. We're approaching 150 subscribers at the moment, so thank you for that. I'll see you in the next video, where I'll be talking about another topic. Don't know what yet. Could be villanelles, maybe. Give your suggestions in the comments, and I'll see you all later. Goodbye.